Hello, everyone. Good day. My name is Joanne, and I'll be taking you through the FoldForge app. So today we'll be starting with how to create a new order. Um, when you log in, you actually get to see your dashboard. So to create a new order, you start here. So here you add in the clothes you want. You add in your clothes, your polo shirts, dresses, raincoat, and now as you add them, it shows up here. And as you can see, it's showing wash and iron. There's wash and iron, there's dry cleaning and iron. Let's say there's a blouse, a gown. There's wash and fold. Let's say cargo pants and boxers. Pressing only, let's say for long sleeve and gilly. Starch and iron alterations. So all this are the options that you get to add for your clothing. So the more you add, the more it adds up here. Then you add in your customer's information, a name, an address for pickup and delivery, the email, a discount type. Probably you have a discount running at the time. You put the percentage there, or you say this particular customer has been pretty good to you and you want to offer a fixed amount of discount. This is where you do that. Email, phone number, birth date if you want, your customer's occupation. Probably is a banker, is a lawyer, she's an architect, she's an entrepreneur. You get to put that here. Then notes, probably this client is quite a prompt person, that if he says 1 o'clock is 1 o'clock is 1 o'clock. So you can add that here, that this outfit should be, or this clothes should be ready at so and so time, because the clients will come and pick it up at so and so time. So these are notes that you can add here. Customer type: individual, business, VIP. Probably it's a school that they give you their laundry items. You can make them a business. Probably it's an individual that has patronized you back to back. You can move that person up to a VIP. So that is where all that shows, and you save. Oh yeah, and then the pickup date. You put in your pickup date here. Let's say 24th, 3:30, or 3:35, or 3:40. Yeah. And then you submit this order and it saves. Where it saves to your order page. So that is that for creating a new order. Thank you.